baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is, hold on, let me fix my hat. Today is Tuesday. I am, today is Tuesday. I'm on my way to the gym. Look at your girl, okay? Girl, don't play at me. Stop playing with me. No. But I'm on my way to the gym. And after I leave the gym, I'm going to go to at home just to walk around a bit, see if they have anything new. Usually they have like the same stuff in there, but I still want to go because I haven't been in a while. So thank you for all the get well wishes. I had a cold for probably like 2 days. I'm starting to feel better. I'm not sneezing anymore or coughing anymore. So I still kind of sound a little stuffy, but I feel a lot better. So I'm going to go ahead and get my workout on, and then we're going to go to at home. So let's go.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't. Flight mode, you move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't.
Guys, I am on my way to Ulta. That was so cheesy. But I'm on my way to Ulta to see if they will accept their lotion. Okay. So let's see, Zadie. Let's see. Should I stick my head in Kirkland's? Should I? Ulta's at the end of the corner. I'm going Ulta really quick. I mean, I'm gonna go in. Oh, this curbside. I'm gonna go in Kirkland's really quick.
Yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't.
Okay, y'all, so I stopped by Costco's and picked up a few groceries. So we're gonna do a grocery store haul. This is not all of it, it's just I ran out of room. So let's get started. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, zucchini and squash, limes, sweet kale salad, green beans, shrimp, cod, salmon, lobster, langostinos, sea bass, baby bella mushrooms, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, avocados, cucumbers, celery, tomato soup, and lobster bisque. So I go to the grocery store a lot because I buy a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables, and you know, you have to eat this stuff up, so it really doesn't last that long. It's everything that I picked up from the grocery store for this week. Y'all know I'm trying to get my life together, so I've been doing really good with my eating and things like that. So tonight I might try to make this cod. I've never had it like seared. I've only had it fried. So I'm gonna probably make some of this tonight. And I'm also excited about this sea bass. So we'll see. So yeah, let me go ahead and put the groceries away. I forgot to show you guys, I did get some asparagus from Costco and also some of these green seedless grapes. So yeah, I forgot to show you guys that. And from Fresh Market, I picked up some maple balsamic dressing, peanut ginger, a bread loaf, organic dill, fresh parsley, beets, tomato, and some sesame thins. So a lot of people ask me all the time, where do you get your peanut ginger? I always get mine from Fresh Market. I've never had it anywhere else. I really like the one from Fresh Market. I buy it all the time. So yeah, you guys should try this if you're into it. The Thai salads that I've been getting lately have the peanut ginger. I'm hooked. So I'll be making a Thai salad sometime this week. And then I bought the maple balsamic salad dressing. I've never tried this one, but I plan on doing some mozzarella tomatoes with the basil on top. I want to try that, so that's why I bought this. And then I just bought like the deal for my fish. The bread loaf is for my soup because I want to have some tomato soup, and I like to have bread with my tomato soup. Don't be afraid of the carbs when you're trying to lose weight. It's fine. So yeah, now I'm going to put this up and then we'll go in the studio so I can show you guys what I picked up from at home. One more thing. I picked up 2 new wines from Fresh Market. Because I do drink white wine sometimes, but my white wine of choice is Pinot Grigio or Sauvignon Blanc. So I picked up these 2 to try so I can have with my fish dinner. So yeah, I'm excited to try these. I've never had this brand before, so we'll see. Santa Margarita, and then this one is Saint Superi. So yeah, that's my white wine of choice. I love Pinot Grigio and Sauvignon Blanc. Okay, so we're in the stew, and I want to show you guys a couple of things that I got. First thing is this vase. You probably seen it in the beginning of the video. I bought this vase. It's so pretty. You guys know that I've been obsessed with rib detailing on glass for quite some time now, and when I saw this, I fell in love. Watching the clips back, the shorter handle holders, I think I'm gonna go back to get that because they look so pretty when I was editing my video. So I think I might go grab those. But this is from At Home, and she was $19.99. So pretty. So I grabbed that, and then I also grabbed this, and as soon as I got out of the car, it fell out of my hand and shattered. So I'll definitely be making another trip over there to repurchase that because I really liked it. It was really cute. So the next thing that I picked up was this little art figurine. It's just to sit on the table. I just thought it was really cool. Nice little decor piece to have. You could sit it on the coffee table or like a little stand with the rest of your decorations. Just a cute little piece to have. And this was $16.99. Really cute. And the next thing that I picked up was some pillows for my bed. I did show you guys that they had like every color that you can think of. I really love that blue. And then they had that blush pink. So pretty. So I bought 3 of these. This is how it looks. So it's like an off-white or like a champagne color. Really pretty. What size is this? This is a 24 by 24, so this thing is big. I have one on my bed right now because I have a different comforter on my bed, but when I change it out and do my duvet, I'll have all 3 of them because this is the same color as my duvet. But this thing is huge, y'all. Like, this is a really nice size pillow, and this one was $29.99. So I bought 3 of these. They're so pretty. And they're by Castle Decor Home. So if any of you guys are interested, that is the company. That is everything that I picked up. So now I'm getting ready to make some lunch. I know you guys were wondering, is she gonna cook today? Yes, I'm gonna cook today. I was in the mood for a salmon bowl, but I'm not gonna do any rice. I'm just gonna do some salmon and vegetables today. So it's really simple today because that's what I'm in the mood for. So let's head to the kitchen.